name is Kira Pratt, and I am a sophomore in college studying marine biology and environmental studies, and today I'll be talking about red wolf conservation in the U.S. So this is our friend the red wolf, Canis rufus. It's a smaller wolf, very pretty. This one has its winter coat. And this is where they were historically found, all throughout southeastern United States, and this is where they're found now. There's a very small region in North Carolina called the Alligator River National Wildlife Refuge, and this red circle is important to keep in mind later. So a little bit about their journey through recovery. In 1967, they were listed as threatened with extinction, and then in 1973, a recovery program and a captive breeding program was initiated. And from 1973 to 1980, over 400 canids were captured from that area circled in red. And in 1980, they were declared extinct in the wild. 7 years later, the first release of wolves in the Alligator River National Wildlife Refuge took place. And then as of August 2025, the known/collared wild population is 18 individuals, and the total estimate is between 28 and 31. And the total number of red wolves in captivity is 280. And this is their population timeline since 1997, with a peak in 2006 of between 110 and 130 wolves. So some of their challenges, historically, human conflicts, hunting, habitat destruction, conflicts with farmers, things like that. And then currently they still deal with human conflicts, especially human population density. As we saw on the map, their range is eastern US, where there's a higher density of people. They also deal with severe genetic bottlenecking due to their low population size. And then also interbreeding with coyotes, which led to some speculation that they may not be a distinct species. However, that is an old thought. They are a very unique species. There's plenty of evidence to back that up. However, that interbreeding could potentially be a good thing. So, like I said, they can interbreed. They're also very similar looking. So we have red wolves and coyote, Canis latrans. However, Gulf Coast canids are also a thing. So what are they? No one exactly knows yet. They're thought to have a high percentage of red wolf DNA, and they are found in the same section of Texas and Louisiana that was circled earlier. And directly from the Gulf Coast Canid Project, the project's goals are to understand the genetic ancestry of the unique wild canids persisting along the Gulf Coast of the United States, and study how red wolf ancestry affects morphology and behavior. And this project was started in 2020, and there's ongoing field research about these canids. And the hope is that they have enough red wolf DNA to increase the genetic diversity of the red wolf population. And this is a picture of them. They were also called fancy coyotes locally because they kind of look like coyotes, but not completely. And then these are my sources. And these highlighted ones in yellow are directly to the Gulf Coast Canid page. Thank you.